Everyone know pots? Yes. What is the use of the pots? Yes, to store the water. Okay, there is one little man who is making the pots. His name is what is his name is Mahadev. Okay, his name is his name is Murlidhar, but he lives in the Mahadevpur. The village name is Mahadevpur. His name is Murlidhar. He is making the pots for selling. Selling the pots, he gets the money to what? Money. Yes, by selling the pots, he gets money. From that he can uh, yes, yes, that he can buy whatever things, whatever use we need for our daily life, because that is his, means how we are doing work. Same, he is making the pots and he is selling the pots. Okay, what happened? One day he was making pots in his house, nearby his house. What happened? At the same time, he was having three old wood pots which were kept inside the house. Three old pots. One day what happened? The three pots are talking with each other. The one pot is saying, we are so good friends from long since we are staying together. I am very very happy to stay here. But one number, that three number pot is saying that I am not happy. I don't want to live over here because this man is so poor. I want to go to the rich man house. I don't want to stay over here. Okay, then after a few days, one day the pot maker was making the pots. At the same time, one rich man arrived there. He came to the pot seller's house and he said, I want good pot. Give me the good pot. The pot seller said, I am not having good or bad pot. All pots are good. You can search, take whatever, which one you want, you can take it. He's telling, no, I don't want new one. I want old pot. He's telling, old pot? I am not having old pot. All are the new pots. He's telling, I want old pot. So it means old is nice. Everyone is saying yes, old is good one. So he's saying, I want old one only. I don't want new one. Then at last that pot maker said that okay, in my house there is three pots. Okay, but that pots I am using. That already I am using that three pots. If you want to see, you can see it. Then they goes inside the house and he sees that there are three pots kept. One of that pots, he took one pot and came out and he gave the pot seller the money. He paid the money to the pot seller and he took that pot and went away. What the pot said to other two pots, he said, see, my wish came to fulfill. My wish came to fulfill that I don't want to live long over in the poor house. I am going in the rich man house. Okay, the rich man took that pot and went to his house. Afterwards, he used to fill water inside the pot and he used to drink. Every day this routine was going on. Okay, one day what happened, when the rich man was filling the water inside the pot, suddenly the up top of the pot break, means that neck portion break and it fell down. Now the rich man said, see, I thought this old one pot is very good, so I purchased this and I brought at my home. But this is not useful. So what he did, he pick up that pot and went out of the house and left him as blended. And the rich man went away. When the pots break, we are using the pots or not? No, we threw away, no? Yes. So same way the rich man pick up that pot and nearby the house he left that pot and came. The pot started crying because he was alone there. He was feeling very sad. He was feeling very sad. Now I am alone. No one was there. His friends was there. No, he was alone. He was left alone. He was saying, now what is this? See, I thought that if I will go the rich man house, I will be very happy. But the rich man threw me out because I am useless. It's no use of mine. He started crying. Afterwards, sometime a old young man was going from there. He was walking, just walking and walking. While going, passing through the pot, he saw the one pot was kept as it is. He was very poor he was. He picked up that pot and went to his house. He washed that pot and he filled the water inside. And daily he used to fill the water, he used to drink the water from same pot. After some days, what happened? The pot asked that old man, why you have brought me your home? You can buy new one. I'm useless. You can buy new one. Why you have brought me? He's saying that I am so poor. I can't afford the new pot. I cannot buy the new pot. So I have brought you and keeping you are useful. You are giving the me cold water. Okay? You are satisfying my thirst. Still it is broken up, but the remaining part he was putting the water and drinking. Yes. So the old man is saying him, you you are satisfying my thirst. Okay. Then the pot was very happy. Afterwards, he said, now see, you miss. He was feeling very happy that he thought that he was alone. Now he came to know that what he came to know, your looking does not matter. Yes, what is your performance? Okay. Then after some days, what happened? Again, the two pots were with him. Same two pots which were friend with him in his old house with the pot maker. They joined him and they started talking each other. The three pots started talking with each other. And he said, hi friend, how are you? And how you are here? Means when the pot was taken by whom? By the rich man. Yes, but when the pot was taken by the rich man and when again his friends joined him, he was again in the poor man's house. Yes, then his friend is asking, why you were here? You was carried by the rich man. Then he said that he told the story. One day what happened? My upper part broke away and he threw me out. This old poor man brought me home and he is filling the water and drinking everyday water from same pot. Okay. Then he is asking how you both are here. Then he is saying even we got some crack on our body. Madkyala cracks jate, everyone. Yes. Like the same she said that we got crack on our body and what happened? That pot maker threw us out. He kept out us. So same old man picked that pot and he brought at his home. Okay. And what he did, everyone, what he did? He, yes, he brought two plants. He brought two plants and he plant one one tree, one small plant in a one pot and other plant in other second pot. Okay. And every day he was pouring water. Every day he was putting water for the plants. In this way, they three were very, very happy. They three were very happy. Means, what is that? What is the meaning of this? That, yes, what you got the meaning from this? Yes, old is gold, but whatever means you're going, means your looking does not matter. How you look, how you are looking, that does not matter. But what work you are going to do and how it helps to others. That is the matter. Understood? This is the moral of the story. Your looking does not matter. How you look, it does not matter. But how you are useful to other, that is the main point. Okay. However, yes, how you are useful to others, that is the main point of this story. Okay. Thank you.